Welcome to another episode of Hook&Reel Fishing. I'm about to kick off a new format, a color demo. I'm going to call it Colors. There's a lot of formats out there that already exist, but in my opinion, they all seem to do something wrong. So I'm going to give it a shot and try to do it right. To start it off, I'm going to run through all my color stock, which mostly consists of MF colorant. I do have a few other colors I'll throw in at the very end. For the MF, they recommend about 30 drops. So my first shot's going to be 15. The second will be 30. I'm going to do colorant only, no flake. And then I'll finish that up with a what would I do to it. I'm going to make them short and sweet, down and dirty. Real fast videos. That way you can get in there, get what you want, get out. This one here should be the longest video, and then the rest of them will be a whole lot shorter. I'm going to try to keep them within the 8-minute mark. Alright, with that said, let's go check it out. And here we have the MF motor oil. Let's start it off with 15 drops. And 15. Looking pretty thin. Alright, let's go ahead and cheek this and see what it looks like. And here we go. Alright, let's go ahead and crack these open. They're not exactly cured all the way, but it'll be okay. Oh yeah. Pretty much just clear. Alright, let's add another 15 to it and put it where it needs to be. Alright, here's another 15 drops. Oh yeah, now that looks like motor oil. Alright, let's run that and see what it looks like. Top off that sprue a little. Alright, a little more. Alright, let's see what's inside. And there it is. Motor oil, the way it's supposed to look. Alright, now for a bonus. So what would I do with this lovely motor oil? I will try to make the original MF by adding jelly red. This one's actually going out to a subscriber. They said make it random and they like red, so here we go. I'm going to start off with about 10 drops. As far as I know, jelly red is pretty translucent. I've actually not played with this color just yet. 10 more. Excuse the frogs in the background. It's either frogs or the neighbor's barking dog. I guess the plus size is I don't have a washing machine out here causing me havoc. Yeah, still not much red in there. Oh, went 21 that time, so we're at the total of 41 now. Let's go 20 more. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's starting to look like the OG. That's fairly close to it. Maybe a tad bit redder, but then I want to go a little bit more redder on top of that. So 20 more. And that should be about it. Chili red is more of like a fluorescent pink. Oh yeah, there it is right there. Yeah, that more resembles the OGMF motor oil right there. So we want a little bit redder. Yeah, that's gonna do it right there. Alright, let's shoot it, see what it looks like. Alright, here we go. Oh, in the way again. I just love this Ecto-Craw. It shoots perfectly no matter what. Ice cold, mold, doesn't matter. Don't know what you're doing, doesn't matter. As long as you shoot enough plastic in that mold, it's a perfect hit every single time. Alright, let's crack these bad boys open and see what they be looking like. Yeah, that's pretty red. And there we are. We'll take a look in some natural sunlight tomorrow.